So if you're having trouble with weak Wi-Fi signals on your Windows 11 laptop, don't worry, I'm going to show you in this video how you can have this resolved in 3 simple steps. And now the first step is the easiest, and it's about moving closer to your Wi-Fi router. The shorter the distance, the stronger the signal that you get from your device. So if you're far away and there are objects like walls and others that is interfering with the connection, you'd want to make sure to get rid of those. So the next step I recommend is updating your Wi-Fi drivers. And to do this, you'd want to open the Start menu, search for Device Manager and click on it. Then look out for Network Adapters, expand it, right-click your Wi-Fi card and choose Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer, then let me pick from a list. So from the list, choose your Wi-Fi card and click on Next. This installs the latest drivers and reconnect your PC to the internet. Now, if this does not work, the next thing is to adjust to roaming aggressiveness. And to do this, go back to the Network Adapters, click your Wi-Fi, right click on it and go to Properties, then Advanced. Find roaming aggressiveness. If your router is far away, set it to the highest, and if you're close, set it to medium or low. So if you're somewhere in between, you want to keep that at medium and hit OK and test your signals again. So if you have tried these 2 methods and it still does not work, another thing that we can do is to reset the network. This should be the last result after you have tried step 1 and step 2. So to do this, go to Start and Settings, then Network and Internet, then go to Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down, click on Network Reset and then Reset Now. Confirm with Yes and your computer will restart. You need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and see if you can establish a connection. So this clears out all drivers and settings that may be causing issues to your network. And that's it. 3 quick fixes to improve Wi-Fi strength on your Windows 11 laptop. Try them out and let me know in the comments if they worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips like this.